Greetings, everyone. Today, we find ourselves in the historic city of London, UK, to uncover the fascinating world of flushing toilets. As an engineer, I'm thrilled to explain the process behind this essential system. In London, most homes and buildings are connected to a sophisticated sewerage system. When you flush the toilet, the wastewater flows through underground pipes, known as sewers, to reach local sewage treatment works. At the treatment works, the wastewater undergoes a rigorous treatment process. First, screens remove larger debris and objects from the water. Then, the water is settled in primary tanks, allowing heavier solids to settle at the bottom. Next, the water is subjected to aeration, where oxygen is added to encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria. These bacteria help to break down organic matter, making the water cleaner and safer. After aeration, the water goes through further settlement in final tanks, allowing remaining particles to settle out. To ensure the water's safety, it is disinfected with chemicals, eliminating harmful pathogens. Finally, the treated water is released into the River Thames or other local water bodies, meeting strict environmental regulations to safeguard the city's ecosystem.